What if I told you that everything you've ever wanted to achieve, whether it's excelling at your job, mastering a new skill, or becoming the best version of yourself, was within your reach if you simply changed the way you think? What if the only thing standing between you and your success is the belief that you can improve? Sounds too good to be true. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your hidden potential and achieve things you once thought were impossible, just by shifting your mindset. Hey there, welcome back to The Infinite Journey. If you've ever felt like you hit a wall, like no matter how hard you try, success just seems out of reach, this video is exactly what you need. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful mindsets you can have to achieve greatness, the growth mindset. And by the end of this video, I promise you'll have the tools to turn challenges into opportunities and transform setbacks into stepping stones. But before we dive in, if you're ready to level up your life, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a mindset shift, and subscribe if you haven't already, because these are the kind of insights that can change everything. All right, let's jump in. 1. What is a growth mindset? So first things first, what exactly is a growth mindset? It's the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents aren't fixed. They can be developed over time through hard work, dedication, and learning from your mistakes. The growth mindset tells you you can get better at anything as long as you put in the effort. Now, think about the opposite, the fixed mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe that their talents and intelligence are set in stone. They think, I'm either good at this or I'm not. Sound familiar? This belief leads to a fear of failure, avoiding challenges, and ultimately staying stuck in the same place. People with a growth mindset, on the other hand, view challenges as opportunities to learn. They embrace failure as part of the learning process and are not afraid to put in the work because they believe improvement is possible. And that's why having a growth mindset is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success. Before we move on, let me ask you, how often do you catch yourself thinking, I'm just not good at this, or I'll never be able to do this? Drop a comment below if you've ever thought this way. I know I have. Why a growth mindset is your secret weapon for success. Here's the thing. People with a growth mindset have one massive advantage over others. They are more resilient. They bounce back faster after setbacks and see failure as feedback, not as defeat. This resilience is crucial for long-term success. Take Michael Jordan, for example, one of the greatest basketball players of all time. He was cut from his high school basketball team, but instead of giving up, he used that as fuel to improve. He said, I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game, winning shot and missed. Yet, he didn't quit. He embraced failure, learned from it, and became a legend. So here's the key takeaway. Success isn't just about talent or luck. It's about persistence, effort, and the willingness to embrace challenges. And that's exactly what a growth mindset gives you. Are you starting to see how a growth mindset can change the way you approach life? If so, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone who could use a mindset shift, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips like this. Let's keep going. 3. How to build a growth mindset. Now, let's get into the how. How do you actually build a growth mindset? It's not something that happens overnight, but with practice, you can develop it. Here are 3 powerful strategies that will help you unlock your full potential. 1. Embrace challenges and step outside your comfort zone. The first step to developing a growth mindset is to start actively seeking challenges. If something feels difficult or intimidating, don't shy away and into it. Challenges are where the real growth happens. When you push yourself beyond your comfort zone, that's when you learn, grow, and stretch your limits. If you want to grow, you have to be willing to climb that ladder, even if the next step feels scary. Whether it's taking on a new project at work or trying something you've never done before, don't avoid it just because it seems tough. This is where the magic happens, too. Use feedback as fuel. Next, let's talk about feedback. People with a growth mindset use feedback to improve, not as an attack on their abilities. If you get constructive criticism, don't take it personally. Instead, see it as a roadmap for how you can improve. For example, if your boss gives you feedback on a project instead of feeling deflated, ask yourself, how can I apply this to do better next time? Use that feedback to grow, not to feel discouraged. Change. I can't yet finally, a simple but powerful tool. Changing the way you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, I can't do this, add the word yet. I can't do this yet. This small change shifts your brain from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. You're not saying you can't, just that you haven't figured it out yet. Try it. Say it out loud. I can't do this yet. See how that changes your attitude. Overcoming obstacles with a growth mindset now. Let's talk about something crucial. Overcoming setbacks. Life is going to throw challenges your way, and you're going to face failure at some point. But when you have a growth mindset, setbacks are never the end of the road. They are simply detours that teach you important lessons. I want to share a quick story. The world's most successful people failed many times before they succeeded. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter was published, but she didn't quit. She kept going. She kept going, kept believing, and eventually created one of the most successful franchises of all time. If you're still with me and finding value in this, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a little mindset boost today, and of course, subscribe for more tips that'll keep you motivated and growing. All right, let's finish strong. 5. The power of persistence and staying committed. The key takeaway here is this. Developing a growth mindset isn't about avoiding mistakes or challenges. It's about embracing them. It's about staying committed even when things get tough, because every step, every stack, every mistake, every challenge is just another opportunity to grow. You have the power to unlock your hidden potential, and it all starts with your mindset. If you shift the way you think, if you stop seeing failure as defeat and start seeing it as growth, there's nothing you can't achieve. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Keep growing, because your best self is yet to come.